Hello. Thanks for oral predation showcasting my thoughts. Name is Laura Daniela Holguín Ojeda. I am a country student, age 23 years. My travel experience. The Cocoro Bay is located in the department of Quindío. It's at the place we shall head to Queno, a country destination, with a mountainous landscape that is home to Las Nevadas National Park. The weekend goes hiking with taking beautiful pictures of an ocean and enjoys local gastronomy such as the famous Thai paisa. Want to go? You have to visit the Cocora Valley to see the imposing was trees that were rising, terracing the mountain, and enjoy nation beauty. It's also a great place to have a picnic and try the local cuisine with dishes like flash or good cup of local coffee. Wanted you and displaced people can visit comes to enjoy a nation tax-wise encourage meet to the mountains to learn about the local fauna and flora to visit and hummingbirds. Travel tips. When comfort clothing, bring a raincoat, sunscreen, and wearing. Wear appropriate footwear. Arrive early, respecting the environment. Thank you.